Friends, one idea is coming to me, Creatures Welfare Association, and I want to be the Director General of such organization. With this philosophy, we have to work how to protect the environment and how to protect the species. Animals, the birds, the plants, they need protection because they are the part of the environment. The environment cannot sustain and survive unless the ecosystem is balanced. And then I appeal to the government, support me so that you should generate enough finance for me so that I can run the institution. There is no selfishness. This is a philanthropic and generous approach. And I think you will appreciate Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, and all these like-minded great chief ministers of different states. I stay in Telangana, BB Nagar. I wish the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Ravindra Reddy, will listen to me and will give me this challenging opportunity with enough financial support so that we can start and run this welfare association for the creatures. Nobody thinks about creatures, nobody thinks about the environment. They are self-centered, dedicated, committed for their own selfish gratification, no generosity, no kindness, no compassion. That is the bestial and groveling attitude which they have inherited since generations. Thank you.